survival becomes a very real and present thing when we head out into the outdoors. Whether you end up in a survival situation out there or not, the right knife can make all the difference if you do. The MORCANUL Cansbull fixed blade knife is that reliable companion, masterfully designed to tackle any outdoor challenge. This bushcraft knife excels as a backpacking, camping, fishing, hunting, hand hiking knife, thick Swedish stainless steel blade with a Scandi grind. There are many survival knives to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best survival knives from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Gerber Gear Strong Arm Knife. The Gerber Gear Strong Arm Knife is a robust and reliable tactical knife designed for heavy-duty use. Its full-tang 1428 steel blade is corrosion-resistant, making it an ideal companion for outdoor adventures. The rubberized diamond texture handle provides optimal control, even in wet conditions, ensuring a secure grip during every task. The MUL-compatible sheath allows for versatile mounting options, keeping your knife securely stored and within reach. The 420 high-carbon blade is coated with Cerakote for enhanced hardness, wear resistance, and extended blade lifespan. With its military-grade construction and Gerber's limited lifetime warranty, this fixed blade knife guarantees superior quality and customer satisfaction, making it a must-have addition to your camping or survival gear collection. Number 2. Becker Companion Fixed Blade Knife. The Becker Companion Fixed Blade Knife is a full-tang, heavy-duty field knife meticulously crafted in Olean, New York, USA. Designed by the renowned Becker and manufactured by the reputable Knives Inc. This knife excels in various outdoor tasks from camping chores to hunting and beyond. It comes equipped with a hard-shell black nylon sheath that not only securely houses the knife, but also features a safety lock mechanism, requiring the user to apply pressure to a specific spot on the sheath to release the blade, preventing accidental falls. This versatile companion thrives in splitting kindling, prying apart joints, skinning game, and even chopping onions for a delicious campfire chili. Whether you're an avid camper, hunter, or simply enjoy spending time in the great outdoors, the Becker Companion Fixed Blade Knife is an indispensable tool that seamlessly combines functionality, durability, and convenience. Number 3. Woodmans MultiUse Axe Machete with Sheath. The Woodmans MultiUse Axe Machete with Sheath is a groundbreaking design that elevates the traditional tool used by the U.S. Army since W2, making it a versatile, multi-purpose instrument ideal for survival, camping, fishing, hunting, bushcraft, land management, or surveying. It combines the functionality of a machete, shovel, brush axe, and knife into a single, exquisitely crafted piece. Both the ash wood handle and the beautiful leather sheath are handmade and finished by skilled Amish craftsmen, instantly transforming your new Woodman's Pal into a cherished family heirloom. Each blade is meticulously hand-sharpened, ensuring unparalleled cutting prowess through even the toughest materials. The ergonomic handle design provides a perfect grip, reducing fatigue during extended use, while the lengthened handle allows for multiple grips and increased control, minimizing the possibility of slipping. Number 4. EC Black Kidex Sheath. The EC Black Kidex Sheath is a top-quality accessory designed for the 10 laser strike knife, a skeletonized full-tang 1095 high-carbon steel construction with a 4.75 black powder finish blade, featuring jimping on the lower spine and an index choil on the front. The gray canvas micarta handle scales are removable, revealing a magnesium ferro rod and tender tabs stored inside, making it a true survival companion. This ambidextrous black Kidex sheath boasts an adjustable sheath tensioner, ensuring a secure fit, and a paracord lanyard with lock for easy carry and quick access. Crafted in the USA, the sheath offers a convenient clip plate for ambidextrous wear, seamlessly integrating with your outdoor gear. Number 5. MORCANUL Cansbull Fixed Blade Knife. The MORCANUL Cansbull Fixed Blade Knife is the ultimate all-around bushcraft knife, making it an ideal companion for backpacking, camping, fishing, hunting, and hiking adventures. This versatile fixed blade knife features a 0.1-inch thick Swedish stainless steel blade with a Scandi grind and a semi-matte finish, along with a 90-degree spine compatible with the included fire starter kit. The sheath-compatible fire starter kit, diamond sharpener, and reflective paracord can be conveniently attached directly to the sheath, allowing you to light a campfire and sharpen your blade as needed. This multi-purpose design integrates a high-quality fire starter, survival tool, and a diamond knife sharpener, ensuring you're well equipped for any outdoor challenge. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.